Are you the proud owner of a super yellow merino wool beanie but unsure how to keep it in tip-top condition? Today, we'll walk you through the essential tips and tricks to care for your beloved beanie. Let's ensure your head stays warm and your beanie stays soft and durable for years to come. Merino wool. It's the fabric we love for its warmth, softness, and durability. But to keep your merino wool beanie looking and feeling its best, proper care is key. Here's how to maintain your beanie with ease. Start simple. Merino wool is antibacterial, which means it doesn't need washing after every wear. Instead, just let your beanie air out to release any odors. Place it in a well-ventilated area and it'll be fresh and ready to go in no time. When it's time for a wash, grab your beanie and check the care instructions inside. Set your washing machine to a gentle 30 degrees Celsius cycle, suitable for delicates. Remember, no fabric softeners. They can interfere with the natural wonders of wool. Once washed, it's time to dry, but with care. Lay your beanie flat on a clean towel to air dry. Avoid using a dryer at all costs, as heat can cause your beanie to shrink or lose its shape. Don't be alarmed if your wet beanie smells a bit sheepish. That's just natural wool doing its thing. The scent will fade as the wool dries. Finally, give your beanie some rest between outings. This allows the wool to bounce back to its original elasticity, keeping it snug and comfortable for its next wear. There you have it. Follow these care instructions, and your super yellow merino wool beanie will remain as charming and cozy as the day you brought it home. Stay warm and stylish and embrace the long-lasting comfort of merino wool. Until next time, keep your head toasty and your beanie in perfect shape.